Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to repair old document in Microsoft Word. Yes, as you see here, so my old document I will make as a fresh document. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to get all kind of notification. Yes, from my laptop I just opened the old document, that is image which I scanned here. So this has some crumbled and this is like old document, so it has teared and it has been a lot of not as a fresh document. So I want to make this one as a fresh document. What I have to do here, just close this document and close this image and just open Word document. So this is my Word application. So once I open Word application, on top you will find option called File, Home and Insert. Just go to Insert and just go to Picture. Once you go to Picture, so if you want to download the picture from your device, means just choose this device or stock image or online picture. You can choose according to your need. I just select this picture and this device. I just choose the document which is old document. So this is my old document, so it is came here as a document. Yes, so now I want to move anywhere with the free hand. So what I have to do here, on your right hand side you will find option called text wrapping, that is layout option. Just click here and you can find option called square. Once you select the square option, so you can move anywhere. So as you see here, so I can move anywhere else, so that I can able to increase my size of my document. As you see here, so this is my document size, so I can move and keep it as a center or any other places over here. So I'm zooming out and I can show you. So this is my document, this is my old document. So how I can make it as a new one, the fresh one. So here you can find, once you select the picture option, automatically picture format will be open here. As you see, so picture format, there will be a picture border, picture effect, picture layout. Here there will be a small box, that is small line will be in the arrow in downside. Just click here, automatically you will get picture format, that is format picture option will be available. So you can choose here to give the shadow, reflection, glow, everything. Just choose a picture. Once you choose the picture option, there will be a picture correction. So this is picture correction. Just choose the picture correction. There will be a sharpener and brightness and contrast. Choose the sharpness into 50%, so it automatically move into 50%. Yes, as you see here, so I'm just changing my sharpness is 50% and I just want to change my brightness into 75%. So once I choose a brightness is 75%, as you see the modification of my picture. So and my contrast should be in 25%. You can choose, so 50, 75 and 25% if you give, means the picture, that is crumbled document, will look like a design and a normal model, as you see here. So I just chosen this option 50%, 75 and 25. So now I want to change this document, that is this file, into plain document. What I have to do here, so if you select your picture, means there will be a crop option. Just choose the crop option. Once you choose the crop options, so just select the cropping and keep it in a white page area. So I just select a white page area to modify my picture. So here I can choose and reduce the size. Yes, so I have cropped and just click here, the picture will be cropped. So as you see here, the picture will be cropped and the picture will be displaying clearly. So now there is some dots and black marks are there in my old document. What I have to do here, so just go to insert option, just go to shapes and draw some box shapes and give the shape color into white. So once you give white, means the color will be in white. So there is any dots or any patches is there in your old document, everything will be clear. So as you see here, so some dots you see here, so I just select the picture and shapes and I just choose some white color and shape outline also in white color, so that there is no other disturbance in my document. So entire page is in white. So now I can go to file menu and save as, and I can browse and make as a PDF. I just choose PDF option. So my documents, so ready. I just choose some ready document. I just click here to save the document, so that my entire document will change like a clarity document, as you see here. So I just want to show the old document over here. So this is my old document. As you see, this is my old document. So I just want to share this new document. The signature, everything will be in clear, as you see. So there is no other crumbled and anything else I don't have. So I have the neat and clean format to get my entire document, that is old document, into the new document. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.